Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is an Antutu Benchmark video between the OnePlus 6T against the iPhone XS Max. So we have the Snapdragon 845 going up against the 812 Bionic, 8GB of RAM versus 4, and the rest of the specs you can see on these sides. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the iPhone XS Max finished first and overall it scored higher. In the breakdown of the categories, the iPhone XS Max scored higher for the CPU, but the OnePlus 6T scored higher for the GPU and the UX, and then the iPhone XS Max scored higher for the memory. So that wraps it up for this benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up. If it happens to be your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up, including those with the Asus ROG phone. There will be speed tests, benchmarks and camera comparisons, so make sure you hit that bell notification so you get notified. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching and I will catch up with you in the next video.